So today, our topic is all about sustainable development. So first, sustainability and stability. So sustainability, this refers to the ability to use natural resources in a way that does not completely use them up or destroy them. It focuses on long-term use. So meaning, resources should still be available for future generations. Dili kay kanang huroton na lang jud nato o gamit ang ato ang resources karon. Dili ta magunahon na sa mga future generations nga kanang magamit pa pohon. For example, cutting trees responsibly and replanting them is a sustainable practice. On the other hand, stability refers to the condition where something remains steady and does not easily change. In the context of development, it means maintaining balance in economic, social, and environmental systems. So if i-combine ni nato ang kaning duha, which is kanang sustainability and stability, we form the idea of sustainable development, which aims for long-term progress without causing harm. So next, sustainable development. So this is defined as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So both pasabot, while we improve kuno our economy and quality of life today, need gyapon nato i-protect ato ang environment and i-conserve ang ato ang resources para napay magamit ang future generations pohon. So without sustainable practice, economic development can lead to serious problems such as air and water pollution, deforestation, soil degradation, and loss of biodiversity. So sustainable development ensures that progress does not come at the expense of the environment. So ang importance aning sustainable development kay siya'y makatabang to balance human needs with environmental protection. So in 2015, countries around the world, led by the United Nations, adopted sustainable development as a global goal. So its importance includes protecting natural resources for future generations, reducing environmental damage, improving quality of life, promoting economic growth without harming nature, and encourage pudta to practice using renewable energy, pollution control, waste management and recycling, and conservation of biodiversity para ma-sure that development kay kanang responsible and long-lasting. So next, unsaon man nato pag-achieve ang sustainable development? So sustainable development can be achieved through several practical actions. First, we must limit harmful human activities such as excessive pollution and overuse of natural resources. So as humans, kita may kanang main mo gamit sa ato ang sa mga kanang natural resources. So silbi or syempre dapat kanang kaybawta sa ato limitations. Kaybawta og unsay kanang makaharm sa ato ang natural resources para kanang malikayan nato or dili nato buhaton. Second, technology should be efficient. So meaning it should use fewer resources while producing better results. Third, the rate of consumption should not exceed the rate of resource renewal. For example, dili ta dapat mo consume more water or cut more trees than nature can replace. So fourth, all types of pollution must be minimized. So like air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution, kanang dapat siya i-minimize. So kanang dapat bitaw nato i-practice ang wise and responsible use of natural resources in our daily lives para ma-achieve nato ang sustainable development. So now let's go over with the examples of sustainable development. First, wind energy. This means using wind to generate electricity without pollution. Next, solar energy. This is kanang using sunlight as a renewable power source. Next, crop rotation, meaning maintaining soil fertility in agriculture. Next, sustainable construction. This means using eco-friendly building materials. Next, efficient water systems. So meaning reducing water waste. So if dili magamit sa tubig, like dili bitaw siya biyaan nga mag-on magsige rag-on nga walay nagamit. Next is green spaces. So parks and urban vegetation. Lastly, sustainable forestry. Meaning kay ang responsible nga paggamit nato or pagmanage nato sa ato ang mga forest. Next kay ang 3 pillars of sustainable development. So the economic pillar, social pillar, and the environmental pillar. So mag-una ta sa economic pillar. So ang focus ani niya is economic growth, job creation, and efficient use of resources. So this ensures that businesses and industries operate sustainably while still generating profit. Next is the social pillar. So kani siya kay nag-promote ni siya sa equality, human rights, education, and overall well-being. So gi-ensure diri nga kanang ang tanan tao has access to opportunities and basic services. Next is the environmental pillar. So ang focus ani niya is protecting ecosystems, reducing pollution, and then kanang conserving natural resources. So kanin tulo ka pillar is kanang connected jud ni siya. If one is ignored, sustainable development cannot be fully achieved. Aims and principles. So ang main aim sa sustainable development is to balance economic, environmental, and social needs. So naa diri ang goal nga ensuring long-term prosperity, reducing environmental damage, and improving quality of life. So ang key principles ani niya kay respect and care for all forms of life, improving human well-being, conserving biodiversity, minimizing the use of non-renewable resources. Maingon ganitag non-renewable, meaning dili na siya mailisan. Next is promoting environmental awareness and encouraging global cooperation. So now let's go over with the SDGs or the Sustainable Development Goals. So ang kaning Sustainable Development Goals, these are the global goals created to improve the lives of people and protect our planet. Ang pinakauna nga SDG is end poverty in all its forms everywhere. So diri pa lang gani sa pinakauna, lisod na jud kayo i-achieve. Samot na sa tuang country karon. Kaya ato ang government, sila panoy mahinungdan nga nung samot ka pobre ang mga tao. But never mind, so ang goal ani niya is to provide equal access to resources, supporting people affected by disasters like kanang linog, bagyo, or any other disasters. Then, creating opportunities for everyone. So, ang importansya ani nga kanang goal is to end poverty para ma-improve ang quality of life and promote equality in society. So, example, government programs like financial aid or scholarships para makatabang sa mga poor families. Ikaduha is end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. So many people still suffer from hunger and malnutrition. So ang goal ani niya is to end hunger and ensure everyone has enough food. Kay kabantay man siguro mo kanang sa mga daghan gani kayo nagkanang mangayo, like mostly mga bata mangayo og kanang kwarta kay para pangkaon daw nila. So next, support farmers. So ang farmers man ang kanang main supplier gid nato sa food. We need to support farmers para ma-end ang hunger nato. The next, protect crops and improve farming methods. Kay if kanang dili nato i-protect ang crops, unsa man ang anihon sa mga farmers? Unsa man ang ilang i-supply sa ato nga food if wala sila maani? So ang importansya ani niya is to kanang provide food. Kay food is a basic need. So without proper nutrition, people cannot grow, learn, or work properly. For example, community gardens and feeding programs in school. So SDG number 3. Ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. So importante man jud ato ang health para productive ang ato ang life. So ang main goal ani nga SDG is to access to healthcare services, preventing diseases and promoting mental health. For example, vaccination programs and free medical checkups. So, importante yun ni siya kay mas makakontribute man ta better sa atuang society if we ourselves are healthy individuals. Next, ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. So, syempre, importante man dyan ang education. So, this helps people gain knowledge and skills. So, ang main goal ani niya is to provide free and quality education. Parehas sa mga public schools nga free ang tuition. Then, promote equal learning opportunities and improve school facilities para ang students is safe ra magkat-on. Then, education reduces poverty and it also helps people achieve their dreams. So, for SDG number 5, which is achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. So, naa diri ang gender equality. This means equal rights and opportunities for all genders. So, ang main focus ani niya is ending discrimination and violence, promoting equal participation, and empowering women and girls. So, importante ni siya kay equality creates a fair and just society. So, for example, women being given equal opportunities in jobs and leadership roles. Dili kay kanang sa laki na lang ihatag tanan kay sila ra kuno mo'y na ay kaya.